Okay, locking. Now this is a new concept, completely new concept, locking. A lot of new concepts you have to learn today. Locking. So locking, sounds like what? Like tala, right? So basically, locking is a tool for concurrency control. Concurrency का meaning क्या था? Yes, concurrency. What does concurrency mean? So basically concurrency, do you have any idea? Sorry, we studied it yesterday. Concurrency means many transactions.
Occurring at same time.
Yeah, concurrency, concurrent मतलब एक साथ बहुत सारा. Many transactions occurring at the same time. That is concurrency. So, what is concurrency now?
Many transactions.
Yeah, correct. So concurrency is an event when multiple transactions are carried out and it is important to control the concurrency. अब concurrency को control तो करना पड़ेगा, not everyone can do it, together. So in order to control that, log-based protocols are used. Logging is protocol of DBMS to prevent multiple transactions or user from accessing data at the same time. So locking हम क्यों करते हैं? We to save from concurrency. एक protocol है मतलब locking is a protocol, implemented by DBMS. DBMS करता है, implemented by DBMS to control the concurrency. To control the concurrency. So, what do you understand from concurrency?
Concurrency will multiple transactions occurring at the same time.
Yes. So, what is a locking?
Which controls concurrency.
Yeah, correct. Locking is a protocol implemented by DBMS.
Implemented by DBMS.
Which controls the
concurrency.
Yes, concurrency. So concurrency control protocol ensures, atomicity, isolation, and serializability of concurrent transactions. We don't need to do that. Now concurrency control protocols. So there are like log protocols and there are concurrency based protocols. So let's go to log protocols. But before going to log protocols, we have to do it. How many types of logs are there? Logs and log protocol are different things. Logs, there are two types. One is binary log and another is
log.
Another is shared or exclusive log. Yes.
Exclusive
log. I know there's a lot of things to learn, but we need to do it. So logs हमारे दो टाइप के होते हैं. There are only two types: binary and shared or exclusive log. Binary का मतलब क्या होता है? What does it mean is that binary means either the on or off. It's like that. So binary log is a data items can be in two states. That is either locked or unlocked. Either locked वाला state होता है या तो unlocked वाला state होता है. वो होता है binary. Only two different states. The shared or exclusive log, we will either let the data be exclusive or it should be shared.
और shared भी होता है.
Yeah, shared का meaning होता है तुम्हारा it is readable. No, it is writable. Yeah, writable, and exclusive means I think that is the definition. Yeah, allowing more than one transaction to write on the same data, it will be concurrent state. That should be the difference. Yeah, sorry. Shared means readable. Sorry, readable. Yeah, and exclusive means writable. Yeah, so writable. So we will mostly study on this part. Okay, shared exclusive log in our coming parts. Shared or exclusive log. मतलब दो टाइप के लॉक होते हैं, but we will normally use shared exclusive log because it is more advanced. So what we'll do is there are a lot of transactions, right? There are like 10 one transaction is like crediting the money, one is debiting the money, So we only allow one, both of them to have shared lock. But हम मतलब read करने के लिए allow करते थे. But in order to write something, we can't have both of them. So we'll only give one of them the exclusive lock. Yeah, we'll give them exclusive lock to be able to writeable. So it's like that. हम control करते हैं. फिर उससे जब लेंगे, after taking back the lock, we'll give it to another one.
लेकिन exclusive में दोनों होता है कि read भी कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, it can write also, yeah, read also, yeah, both. So yeah, it's like that. So सबसे पहले transactions have to get shared lock. After getting the shared lock, only they can upgrade to exclusive. Now, after getting the shared, you can then apply for getting the exclusive next मतलब आने के लिए.
Can't we go directly to the exclusive?
No, normally no. So and you forward you will learn. So I'll just ask what is the concurrency? Concurrency.
Well,
yes, taking at the same time, right?
Occurring at the same.
Yeah, many transactions, right?
Occurring at the
Yeah,
same.
correct. Now, how many types of locks are there?
Binary lock, and number 2 is search or exclusive.
Exclusive or shared?
Shared, right?
Shared, right?
Shared or exclusive lock.
So what is a binary lock?
Binary lock can be in either
Lock?
it is a data, right?
Yeah.
That can be either locked or not locked or unlocked.
Yeah, it is a type of lock where there are only two states.
Two states.
Locked state, yeah, unlocked state, right?
In data.
Yeah, not data. In data you can say that. In transaction actually.
Data transaction.
Yeah.
Can you say?
Yeah. A transaction either they will be locked or either unlocked. So what is a shared exclusive lock?
Is a type of lock.
Where either they will have shared shared lock or exclusive. So anyway, moving forward, shared exclusive lock हो गया. Now we're going to move to lock protocols. So there are many lock protocols, okay? So this was the types of locks. Now we're going to go forward to lock protocols. Yes, rules and regulations. So there are many types of protocols you can follow. You can either follow simplistic lock protocol or reclaiming lock protocol. It's pretty simple, okay? Simplistic, as the name suggests, is
Simple.
yes. So as the name suggests, is pretty simple protocol. So simplistic lock protocol is when it allows transactions to obtain a lock in every object before a write operation. And transaction may unlock the data item after completing the write operation. So basically here means allows all transactions to obtain a lock on every object before a write operation. To obtain lock before a write operation. That's the thing. Now next we have, I think if you can't remember these, just write the headings. What do you say? Do you guys just want to read the headings?
Copy?
No, not copy. I mean exam. I think this might come. So if you are not able to remember all of it, you can just write the headings. Okay. Simplistic lock protocol. So allows all transactions to obtain lock before a write operation. So that is simplistic lock. After doing the write operation, it will unlock. This is basic thing, okay? After completing, it will unlock. Unlock means it will give up the lock. लॉक दे देगा हमको, मतलब अब वो लिखने का परमिशन अपने हटा दिया, दे दिया किसी और को. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज रिक्लेमिंग लॉक प्रोटोकॉल. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. रिक्लेमिंग
कर रहा है.
यस, रिक्लेमिंग लॉक प्रोटोकॉल है ना, प्रोटोकॉल. सो हियर व्हाट हैपेंस इज रिक्लेमिंग करते हैं हम. प्रीक्लेमिंग लॉक, दिस इज प्रीक्लेमिंग एक्चुअली. This is not pre-claiming. Yeah, it's like this, I will just draw the graph. So what happens is, this is your operation, okay? Example, you want to, debit the money. So we need to write, right? To do that. So it will first wait for all the lock to have, it will wait for all the locks to have, like सारा locks इकट्ठा करेगा. It will collect all the locks. After it has all the locks, it will then start the operation. It will like completely start the operation like this. पूरा up जाएगा. Then it will do the operation, and after all the operation finishes, it will then completely give up all the locks together. It will do, like first of all, it will wait till all the locks are available. After collecting all the locks, it will then start action, and it will, like do the writing operation. After completing the writing operation, it will give up all the locks together. wait नहीं करेगा, वेट करते रहेगा. और लॉक सारे के सारे लॉक मिल गया, मैंने 2-3 ट्रांजैक्शन का लॉक मिल गया. अब वो एक साथ करना पड़ेगा ना, तो एक साथ कर दिया उसने. फिर उसके बाद उसने सारे के सारे एक साथ वेट करके गिव अप कर दिया एक साथ. दैट इज प्री claiming lock protocol. So basically what happens, evaluates their operation and create a list of data items which they need. So first of all, it will see, how many locks do I need, and after that, the transaction request system for all the locks. It will request for all the locks. सारे के सारे लॉक का रिक्वेस्ट करेगा, बट वेट करते रहेगा वो. एंड इफ ऑल द लॉक्स आर ग्रांटेड, अगर सारा लॉक मिल गया, मुझे एग्जांपल 2 शेयर्ड लॉक चाहिए था, है ना, 4 मुझे एक्सक्लूसिव लॉक चाहिए था, तो सारे के सारे लॉक मिलने के बाद ही, है ना, ये ट्रांजैक्शन शुरू करेगा, ट्रांजैक्शन एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. एंड जब ट्रांजैक्शन खत्म हो जाएगा, एक साथ सारे के सारे रिलीज कर देगा. एक ही बार में काम होता है, फिर एक ही बार में छोड़ देता है. If all the locks are not granted, the transaction rolls back and waits until all the locks are granted. अगर locks नहीं मिला ना, तो वेट करते रहेगा, बोल रहा है, इधर ही रुके रहेगा. तो मिलने के बाद ही ये काम करना चालू करेगा. फिर काम करना अगर फिर खत्म. It's like that. तो वही, it's the diagram T begin and T end, time end. Wait, this is time. So you have pre-claiming, pre-claiming, पहले claim करेगा, है ना, फिर ही काम करेगा. So that's the thing. Now two-phase locking. There are two-phase lockings. Okay. Don't worry. This is the I think last topic of locking. Okay. Two-phase locking. So do I need to ask the question? Right. Now after this pre-claiming locking, pre-claim, as the name suggests, you will claim first. It will wait for all the keys to be there. 1 key मिल गया, 2 key मिल गया, 3 key मिल गया, 4 key मिल गया. Now after getting all the keys, it will now run कर रहा है. After running, all of it will be given together. सारे के सारे keys दे देगा. It's like that, pre-claim. Now two-phase locking. Two-phase locking, as the name says, there are 2 phases. So there are 2 phases. So first of all, example, it now begins here. T begin. Okay, it will first, keep on acquiring the locks, and also starts executing. Execute भी start कर रहा है. Execute हो गया, 1 execute हो गया, 2 execute हो गया, फिर 2 execute हो गया. तब तक मुझे सारे लॉक मिल गए. 1 लॉक मिल गया, 2 लॉक मिल गया, 3 लॉक मिल गया, 4 लॉक मिल गया. Now together it will execute all. After this is second phase. Now it will give up all of it. So 2 phase होता है इसमें, 2 phase होता है. One is starting of execution, this phase, if I'm correct. Where it, yeah. The 2 phase, the first phase is when the transaction starts executing and seeks permission. So this is the first phase. It will start getting all the acquiring the locks. It starts acquiring. लॉक लेना स्टार्ट करेगा, मतलब इधर से starts acquiring locks, and also it will begin execution. ये अब execute भी कर रहा है, मतलब जितना write जाएगा उतना execute हो रहा है. The more it goes to write, the more execution is taking place. Example is 1 execute किया, 2 execute किया, 3 execute किया. Like that, it starts executing also, and it starts acquiring the locks also. Like that. So, and the second phase is when the transaction acquires all the locks. So this is the second phase. Either you have got all the locks. All locks are available. All locks got. We have got it. Now this is the 2-phase lock. Now we have another 2-phase lock, that is strict 2-phase lock. This is the last 2-phase lock. After this, we're going to end this locking. So this is 2-phase lock. Now we have a strict and same 2-phase lock. Strict means 2-phase lock ही है, but more stricter. It is only 2-phase lock, but it is more stricter. This was 2-phase lock. इसमें 2 phase है ना? But ये वाला strict है, मतलब ये वाला थोड़ा strict है. ये क्यों strict है? Strict 2-phase lock. Where is it? Or cascading rollback is possible. Yeah. So I did not discuss this. Here, cascading rollback is possible. Here in the previous 2-phase lock, actually cascading rollback is possible. It is like this actually. मतलब cascading मतलब एक के बाद एक. So it is cascading rollback. it is like giving up the logs one by one. So it's like this. ये slanted होता है. It's a bit slanted like this. So this is two-phase lock, but in stricter two-phase lock, in cascade, this is not allowed. Like releasing of logs will take place together. Logs will be cascading in this two-phase lock. Cascading. So in the strict one, this is not allowed. In the strict one, everything is same. Again, there is two phases. First phase is acquiring the lock and beginning the execution. So yeah, let me show it. This is the first phase. It begins here because we have started acquiring the locks and we have also started beginning execution. And after that, after we get all the locks, that is this is the second phase. Now second phase begins and it will start executing properly. And after that, this is the previous one. Okay, now it is not allowed. ये cascading rollback allowed नहीं है. Rollback मतलब lock मतलब फिर से देना. So this is not allowed. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Will not allow this. हम मतलब क्या करेंगे? सबको execute खत्म करने में wait करेंगे. फिर ही हम allow करेंगे ना rollback करने के लिए एक साथ. So this is strict. No cascading rollback. This is the only thing differentiating. No cascading rollback. That is release नहीं होता मतलब release एक साथ कर रहे सब लोग. That's the thing. And now timestamp based protocol is like I will just give a brief. This is not this like log based protocol. This is timestamp based protocol, completely different topic. So timestamp based means timestamp means time. Time based protocols means अब टाइम के मुताबिक करेगा. लाइक इतना टाइम हो गया, आफ्टर दिस टाइम यू विल डू द, एंड आफ्टर दैट विल स्टॉप गिविंग यू द लॉक, विल टेक बैक द लॉक एंड विल गिव इट टू सम अदर. After that, we'll give back to you again, like that time based. 1 second you, 1 second you, 1 second you, 1 second you, like that. It's like that timestamp based protocol. I don't think you need to read that, and we have finished the locking. Thank you very much.